YouTube? Back at y'all with another video, man. Yeah, man, yeah. So, what we got going today? Been working on a cutlass. I ain't even gonna show y'all that right now. A little crazy up in there. I was having an issue, you know what I'm saying? So that just goes to show you, you can even have issues even when, you know, you done did everything yourself. So yeah, we just sorting those out. We about to get ready to crank that up and whatnot. So yeah, that's happening. But what I am about to show y'all is the rear end. Let me just go ahead and let the garage open. Let's see. Okay. Try to pause it a bit, flip it around. The rear end right here. These are actually the tabs right here that I'm actually gonna be cutting. Like from here, I'm cutting all this right here off. I'm gonna do it on both sides. So when I put the backing plate on, we don't have any interference right here with this. You don't need that no more. And it does have like a little indentation in there where you can cut. So yeah, I'm gonna cut along that line or whatnot. So right now, 7.5 is stripped, bare, about to get assembled, about to get installed in the car. So, yeah, man. What's going on, y'all? I mean, we outside, man. Truck. All right, rear end, man. G-body rear end, man. We got those disc brakes on that guy. If y'all see. Yeah. Well, we about to clean them up. I'm still putting the, still drilling. Oh, excuse me, shit. Still drilling out the other holes for the, for 2 bolt holes right there and 1 more right there. You can actually see it looking through, peering through right there. That mount plate, if you can see it right there. Bow, right there. So, yeah, man. Disc brakes. Good. So, yeah, we got them mounted up. And we are about to move it outside to clean it, degrease it, get it ready to get it sent off to get the gear installed, the pinion gear, differential, get that all set, painted, nice. I'm gonna get it back, put the spool in, put the rear seals. Done. Okay, and gear oil, put it back up in the cuddy, sit it down, put wheels on it. ARP studs, no, Morosa studs for the 26 spline axle. So that's what I got going right now. But that's for the chocolate. Yes. Yeah, baby girl. Baby girl about to get some work. That's why I kept the bed out. So I'm about to go and see what's happening with this. So yeah. May lower it a little bit in the front, but the back is definitely gonna get a C-notch. Got some plans for the engine. Got some plans for the interior. About to get some tint. What else? And a wheel, and a new wheel setup. We're gonna go with a new wheel setup, and yeah, we're gonna do that. And as for this thing, it's multicolor. It's multicolor, yeah. Still here. Yeah, cutlass. That's coming fairly soon, man. And yeah, I'm gonna, once the rear end is back in, I'm gonna start trying to figure out, we'll actually go ahead and building the new brake lines, and y'all, I'm gonna get to crack out my welder and see what type of welding capabilities I got. I've been reading the book and whatnot, so yeah, I think I done got a little more in-depth understanding of how and what I'm looking for. So I've done it before, so I'm just gonna take some previous experience, really hobby this thing and get it together. As for everything else, shock springs, may put coilovers on the rear. I may do that, but I may just go ahead and just do shocks and springs. And then throw the wheels on there. New dad situation, like I said, it's wires everywhere. See that wire right there? It's a whole lot of that going on up under the hood right now. So like, yeah, I want to show you out there right now. We're in the pre-stages. Don't judge me. But yeah, man, we got that rear end on there, and those calipers looking good. Got them going the correct way as well. And I got mine off of a 2000 rear wheel drive Blazer. Of course, shave the ears off. Your ears, shave those off, and you'll be good to get them to mount up and fit. And yeah, man, y'all keep it locked, subscribe, hit that bell to get all the notifications, because stuff is about to start snowballing right now. And before you know it, a lot of stuff gonna be happening. So you just want to stay in the loop or catch up, however you want to do it. So, but yeah, man, just like, share. Nah, if you ain't got shit, just like and subscribe it. And that's pretty much okay. Till I can. All right, I'm gonna get it out though. Yeah, that's what this video is about. Yeah, I'm tripping. So yeah, I'm gonna film that. Y'all will see this outside, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Yeah.